Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. This is a very good question on ratio. I've seen questions similar to this multiple times in GCSE papers, especially in papers 2 and 3. Let's give this a try. Pause the video, do it yourself. When you want to check your answer, continue the video. A bag contains red, blue, and green counters. The ratio of red to blue counters is 4:5. Okay, let's see. Red to blue ratio is 4:5. The ratio of blue to green is 2:3. Blue to green is 2:3. Okay. Now, well, see, blue is the common one here because you got blue here and also here. Now the thing is, the numbers that I have for blue are not the same. There's 5 here and 2 here. So obviously the way to combine them is to get them to the same number, which is LCM. That will be 10. So how do I get both of these to 10? I'm going to multiply this 5 by 2. But remember, it's a ratio. Whatever you do to one number, I have to do the same thing to the other side. So 4:5 is exactly the same as 8:10. Now, this 2 and 3, I'm going to multiply by 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and that is 15. Now, guys, you can see the ratios are 8:10 and 10:15. Now, I can actually combine all three. So I can write red to blue to green is 8:10:15. So 8:10 is here. 10:15 is here. Red to blue, 4 to 5 is the same as 8 to 10. 2 to 3 is the same as 10 to 15. Now we can do the rest. There are 42 more green counters than red counters. Now let's have a look. The red counter, we got how many counters here? How many parts? In red, we have 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In green, we have 15 parts. Now I can clearly see green has how many more parts? 7 parts more. So we know really there are 42 more green counters than red counters. So this 7 parts is 42 counters. I can easily work out what one part is. So obviously divide both sides by 7. Divide by 7. And I know one part is 6 counters. Right, that was my question. How many counters are in the bag altogether? Let's see how many parts we have. We got 8 parts red, 10 parts blue, 15 parts green. So the total number of parts must be 8 add 10 is 18. 18 add 15, which is 33. So 33 parts is the total that we have. 1 part to 33 parts, you need to multiply by 33. Obviously, I have to multiply this one by 33 as well. So I know 33 parts, which is the total, is 198 counters. In an exam, that's all really you're supposed to do. So you got the answer, that's okay. But let's say if you want to just double check if you got this one right. So this is what you can do. Once you've done all the questions in the exam, you are going checking through the second round. And let's say you want to check if you got it right. How do we do that? So we know the total number of counters that I got is 198. Now, the ratio of red to blue to green, R, B, G. Let's do that. R and B and G are in the ratio 8:10:15. is to 15. Now I need to find the number of red and green. And I need to see if I get 42 more. Let's see if I get it. So let's get it as a fraction. 10 add 8 add 15, that's 33. So I know the fraction of red counters is 8 out of 33. Green counters is 15 out of 33. Now let's find the actual number here. So 8 over 33 times by 198. That would be 48 counters. Okay. Now let's find the number of green counters. That would be 15 over 33 times 198. That will be 90. Okay. Now let's see the difference here. So 90 take away 48 and I get 42. So I know, because I got what I'm supposed to get, my answer 198 must be right. But all of this writing in green is how you check your answer, how you verify your answer. That's not a compulsory part for this, but it is how you can check it.